Publishing your ebook on Knowvas is simple, fast, and designed for creators. Let's walk through the process. Step 1. Create new content. To get started, click Create Content. Choose the type of content you want to publish. For ebooks, select Book. Knowvas supports both EPUB and PDF formats. This takes you directly into the publishing workflow. In the basic information step, tell readers about your book. Enter the title, description, language, and target audience. Add relevant keywords to help readers discover your content more easily. Include the author name, original publication year, and ISBN if available. Once completed, click Next to continue. Next, set your pricing and access options. You can choose to make your content free or set prices in supported currencies, including African currencies and USD. Select how readers can access your book. Available for purchase and subscription, purchase only, or premium subscribers only. Now, select the genres and categories that best describe your book. After that, upload your files: a cover image, the main book file in EPUB or PDF format, and a sample file, which allows readers to preview before purchasing. Helpful upload tips are provided to ensure the best reading experience. Step 5. Review and publish. Finally, review all your content details carefully. Confirm your information, pricing, and uploaded files. Once everything looks good, click Submit for review. Your content will be reviewed by the Knowvas team, and you'll be notified once it's approved and published. Publishing on Knowvas is simple, structured, and creator-friendly. From upload to publication, everything is designed to help you reach readers with confidence. Publishing an audiobook on Knowvas follows a simple guided process, just like publishing an ebook. Before you begin, there are a few important preparations. First, create your chapter markers in a text file or CSV file. You do not need to split your audiobook into multiple audio files. A single audio file is enough. Knowvas uses your chapter markers to handle navigation. Next, prepare your cover image and about information. Basic information. Enter your audiobook details, including the title and description. Select the language, target audience, and add relevant keywords to improve discoverability. Provide the author name, original publication year, and, if available, enter the narrator's name. Chapters. Chapters can be added in two ways. You may enter them manually or upload a CSV file containing your chapter titles and timestamps. This allows listeners to navigate easily through your audiobook. Pricing and access. Next, set your pricing options. Choose whether your audiobook is free or paid and configure access for purchase, subscription, or both. Categories and file uploads. Select the genre categories that best describe your audiobook. Then, upload the required files: your cover image, the full audiobook file, and a preview file for listeners. Finally, review all your details carefully. When everything looks good, click Review and Publish to submit your audiobook. Once approved, your audiobook will be available to listeners on Knowvas. One audio file, clear chapters, global listeners. That's audiobook publishing on Knowvas. Publishing magazines, comics, or newspapers on Knowvas follows the same simple workflow as publishing an ebook. There are just a few important differences to note. While Knowvas supports both EPUB and PDF formats for ebooks, magazines, comics, and newspapers are published in PDF format only. This ensures accurate layout, visuals, and consistent reading across all devices. For magazines and newspapers, you'll find additional fields to enter: the issue number and the publication frequency, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. These help readers easily track recurring publications. For comics and graphic novels, a dedicated comic artist credit field is provided, ensuring proper recognition for illustrators and creative contributors. Aside from these differences, every other step remains the same. You'll still enter basic content information, set pricing and access options, select appropriate categories, upload your cover, main file, and preview, and submit for review and publishing. Different categories, same powerful publishing experience. That's publishing magazines, comics, and newspapers on Knowvas. Knowvas makes editing and republishing published content straightforward and efficient. From the Creator Studio dashboard, select the content you wish to modify. On the Content Details page, choose Edit Content. You may navigate through each section to update content information and settings, modify pricing and access options, replace the cover image, full content file, or preview file. After completing your updates, submit the content for review and approval. Once approved, the updated version is published automatically. Editing and republishing on Knowvas is designed to be clean, controlled, and professional. Knowvas, empowering creators, inspiring readers.